Hello again from ASAP General Contracting. We changed out the, we didn't change out the structure. We kept all these boards here. The whole frame is done, but we didn't like what we had to work with before, so we put in a 2x8 and some 2x6s on both sides, and then some additional railings for 2x6 and 2x6. So we added about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 pieces of wood as we traverse from the top of the walkover down to the other end of the world. Total about 100,000 pounds of wood by the time you got done with all the repairs. This was done in November and December. And this is the new beach walker. If you look down there, you'll actually see the old beach, which went through the dune. It's down under there, kind of still hiding underneath there. And all of this is new. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 steps to get up. The view is incredible. It's absolutely incredible. We built in some seats. ASAP General Contracting. We service about 8 counties in the North Florida area and southern Georgia. And we do marine construction, and we do construction of all types. We're a general contractor, which basically means we're licensed to do it all. So we have no limitations on our licenses. We're third generation. My grandfather came down from Connecticut in the 1930s, worked his way down building post offices, opened his business under the name of R.W. Swanwick Construction, and built a good part of Englewood, Lakewood, part of San Marco, San Susie, Spring Park, and Arlington. About a third of Arlington was framed up and built by my grandfather and several other companies that he worked with. So let's see how many steps we got we're working with now. We got 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 steps. And then a platform for resting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and a resting spot. This place is for doggy poopy, so we put in a mailbox for the client. She wanted a place to grab a baggie when she takes the doggy out on the beach, so she got that. And this is kind of an up view. You can see it this way. Very beautiful. We put in a privacy gate, which is marine grade. All of it's marine grade. So now I'll count the steps down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps down. Here's a view from the beach side, and I'll spin around and give you a thing. ASAP General Contracting, state certified contractor, insured, bonded. You can take care of any kind of work imaginable. That should show you what kind of work we can do. We can do decks, we can do patios, we can do flooring. And if you look in this spot here, this is where the old walk-through was there. So as we built it up to a height, permitted to the height that we're at, so the dune will now, over time, we're already noticing that this dune is already starting to, the sand is accumulating around the legs and the cross members, and we're starting to see the creation of the dune, the replacement of the dune where we used to walk through, which was the goal here, is to get that walkway over the dune and keep that dune as high as possible. So as the dune repairs itself automatically, and we've planted some sea oats as part of the process. As you can see, our cross membrane, our cross members, all of our construction is marine grade. So we got stainless steel screws, nuts, and spacers, and we have used stainless steel nails, and we've used stainless steel screws. So that's basically the secret to, I gave away our secret for marine construction. All stainless steel. Very expensive. You can easily spend on this project alone $1,000 to $2,000 just for the stainless steel screws and the stainless steel bolts. But if you want something to last for 20 years or longer, that's what you have to use. Beautiful day, the low tide right now. Huge beach, and my favorite beach in Florida. This is absolutely my favorite beach. So again, ASAP General Contracting. Phone number is 346-1266. 346-1266. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like our videos, we do self-help, how-to, and vacation videos. And we also pat ourselves on the back a little bit in regards to some of the work we did. And this is one of my more impressive projects that I've done this year, is this huge monstrosity of a walkover. Again, 100,000 pounds of wood by the time we got done doing all the repairs and all the new improvements to it. Phone number is 904-346-1266. 904-346-1266. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our videos, please hit subscribe, and you'll get more of these videos showing our work and our craftsmanship. Again, third generation contractor. My grandfather was R.W. Swanwick, and he built houses between 1947 in particular up until about 1984. And then my father opened a construction company with another gentleman around 1965, and they ran that till about 1980, and we opened this one in 1990. So we've been in business a little over 31, 32 years. So ASAP General Contracting. We serve all of North Florida. Have tools, will travel. Thank you for watching our video, and goodbye.